everyone, so today I'm doing a quick product review on a scale that we've been using. Every so often companies will reach out to us and see if we'll review their product. Most of the time I say no, or I don't end up making a video on it because I don't think it's really relevant. However, I thought this might be something that those of you who are doing any sort of special diet might be interested in. This is the Etekcity food scale. And I was particularly interested in it because of this little feature right here, and the fact that it also connects to your phone via an app and will let you immediately see the nutritional information for the food you're weighing as well as the macros. So we've been using this for about 5 days. All right, so let's take a look at it up close. So it didn't come with any sort of thing to set on it, but that's fine. You can just grab any tray or cup or whatever you want and put it on there, and then you just hit the button and it will zero out. So I've got 18 grams of macadamia nuts in there. And now what you would normally do if you're using just a regular scale is you just pull up your app and then you would go to whatever app you're going to use to enter your food. But what's kind of cool about this scale is I can launch this app. So it has the Etekcity nutrition scale on there. They have other products apparently, and it's connected via Bluetooth. So I click on that, and then it's asking me what's on the scale. So I'm going to tell it. Now you can just go to find, like on anything like that, and just type in macadamia nuts dry roasted with salt. So I'm going to pick that one. Right away it tells me my macros. Of course, on the app itself, you can see the nutritional information. What's really cool is right here on the scale, you can see that same nutritional information. So it makes it real nice when you're putting together a recipe, especially, is what I've found. So for example, let's say I wanted to make a fat bomb, a keto fat bomb. A keto fat bomb in a cup. Got some almond butter from blanched almonds, got some unsweetened coconut flakes, some 100% cacao chips, and some VitaFiber sweetener. All right, so I got about 35 grams of this butter, but click on what's on the scale. I can type it in. I can type in Barney and see if it's in there. Oh, I do have it in there. This is one that I've already added myself. I have the Barney almond butter. So I'll tap on that. And it immediately tells me with the 35 grams, I'm at 7 grams of protein, 19 grams of fat, and 6 grams of carbs. Now I'm going to add some sweetener to it. What I want to do is zero out the scale. Hold that for a second. So now it's going to reset with that nut butter in there. These chips in. I should have been clicking the little check mark because what that would do is add it to my running total right here. And we will add in some coconut flakes unsweetened right there. Tells me the nutritional information. I'm going to click the green checkbox on this one to add it to my running total, and you can see that it's adding it up. The other nice thing about being able to just measure and have it save it right to your app is you don't have to then transfer the information to another tracking app. You can just track it right here in your app. So for example, I can set my nutrition goals, and I can say, let's say my daily calorie goal is 2,800. These aren't my real ones, but let's say I'm going for a low carb or keto. I'll click on keto, but I can customize that. And I can say, you know what, I really only want 25 grams of carbs. Now it's not going to let me pick 25 for whatever reason. Etekcity, if you're watching, being able to type these in would be a little better. And then I can say for protein, I want, let's say for protein, I want about 95 or so grams. We'll go with 98. So I can really customize this the way I really want. Then you can see that as I've entered in the information for what I'm eating, it will update my goals for the day. Okay, so yes, I do like this scale. We've been, very happy with it. We did get it free. They asked us, hey, if we send this to you free, will you use it in one of your videos? I liked it enough that I thought instead of just using it in our videos, I'm gonna draw some attention to it because it has been helpful. It's been helpful for us. So I thought I would share that with you guys. You can buy it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the video description down below. You just have to expand it out. There'll be a link in there, make it easy for you to find it. The only thing I could say that would make this a better scale is if somehow when you set food on it, it would just, detect, automatically what food's on there. Hey, you never know, someday that may happen. Those are the next kind of scales, next version 2.0 Etekcity if you're making another one of these. All right, everyone, hopefully you found this helpful. We will continue to do reviews on products if we find that we think they'll be helpful to you in your cooking adventures. So stay healthy, be happy, and we'll see you on the next video.